Struggling to read books because the Books app cannot access your library on your iPhone? Don't stress. In this video, I'm here to guide you through some simple fixes so you can dive back into your reading. Let's jump right in and get started. Solution 1. Enable iCloud syncing. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the page. Next, tap on iCloud from the options available. After that, tap on See All to view more settings. Now, find and tap on iCloud Drive and toggle it to On. Then go back to the previous page. Now, scroll down and look for books in the list. Next, toggle it to On as well. Now, return to the main settings page. Then, scroll to the bottom and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Books. Now scroll down a bit to find the syncing section. From here, toggle on Home and iCloud Drive syncing. Finally, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Log out and log into iCloud. First, open the Settings app. Then tap on your Apple ID located at the top of the screen. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Next, tap the Sign Out button. Then confirm by tapping Sign Out in the upper right corner. After that, tap on Sign Out again in the pop-up. Once you have signed out, you'll return to the main settings page. Now tap on your Apple account from here. Then sign back into your Apple account using your preferred method. Finally, check to see if the issue has been resolved. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall books. For this solution, start by opening Settings again. Then tap on General. Next, select iPhone storage. Now, find books in the list and tap on it. Next, tap on Delete App. After that, confirm by tapping on Delete App again. Now close the Settings app and open the App Store. Search for Apple Books. Then, download the app again. Now the issue should be resolved. And there you have it. That's how you fix the problem of the Books app not accessing your library on your iPhone. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you shortly. Thanks so much for watching and happy reading.